Welcome to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. So I wanted to make this video early today because Iran attacked Iran, and this is definitely going to affect the stock market. It's also going to affect fuel. So if you have an opportunity, fill up your car if you need some gas, because most likely gas prices are going to start going up sometime today and this week. So just keep that in mind. Now, should you sell all your stocks? Definitely not what I would do in my opinion. Keep investing in your long term. If there's a dip, it's a great opportunity to add some stocks to your long term positions, but also a good opportunity when there's a dip to add into your shorts. So things will get better and the market will climb, and this could give you opportunity and make some money within 12 months if you do some shorts. Because remember, short is within 12 months. So you can buy a stock, don't have to sell it the same day for it to be a short. It could be within the same week, same month, and a couple months. As long as you do it within 12 months, it's going to be considered a short. But this could be an opportunity even to find a short. But I wanted to share when it comes to the stock market that obviously if there's a war, this is not good. It's not a positive thing. It's never good news, and it will affect markets. Now, you may be wondering what I'm going to do in a situation like this. Am I going to invest? I am going to invest. A stock I've been talking about, if you've been watching my videos, is APLD, Applied Digital. I find this as an opportunity now that it went all the way up to, actually, let's check. How far did it go up? It went up, APLD stock. What was its 52-week high? Because I've been buying and selling this thing recently. So let's see how high. So it's gone all the way to 1542, and now it's dropped. It's gone all the way down to as low as under 12, which I would have liked to have bought it under 12, but right now I'm in it for 1250. So markets, I did buy this yesterday. I did not expect us to get news about the war, but that's okay. I still feel that it was a good buy. If it since it's dipping, it depends on what the market opens, I'll add more to it to reduce my cost average because I think it will go back up. But right now I'll be keeping a close eye on it when the market opens. But yeah, pre-market right now, stocks are down. I have seen them climb a little bit, so we'll see what the market will look like when it opens. But I think this news will definitely affect the stock market and as news comes out. So could the day turn around? Could it turn into a green day? It could, but war's never good. And I'm expecting a red day, but things could turn around. But I am in Applied Digital. I think it will go up. I think it will pass $13 and I'll make some cash on it short term. Now I'm just sharing my experience. I'm not an expert. I'm just sharing what I'm doing and sharing a stock that I'm doing a short on, which is Applied Digital. I think it's a good one. There's I've talked about other stocks. I talked about MVTS. That company, I did make some profits on it short term, but I would recommend if you're looking into that one to be very careful because the company is not profitable. So I think it was a good opportunity if you got early on. If you already sold and got out, probably be careful because this thing could die down and you don't want to get stuck into it. Because what I've noticed with the smaller companies, if you get stuck into them, sometimes to recover, it could take months. And sometimes you may not recover, right? Because they're small companies. When you're safer is usually the big boy companies like Amazon, Apple, Meta, those type of companies, when they have a downturn, they recover a lot quicker than the small ones. Now, any company, there's always going to be a risk, but some companies are bigger risks than others. So I'm throwing that out there because some people want to do shorts and they'll jump into anything and they think, oh, well, my money will recover, right? I'll just wait it off. It depends on when you're investing in. A lot of times, yes, you can wait it, and it depends why obviously the stock's going down. Is it because of the market? Like there's a war going on. What's is the whole market going down? Then most likely just hold on, add to it. The market will recover, but some stocks will not. So it depends on the stocks that you're investing in. There's some companies out there that are super big risk. They're like penny stocks that most likely are not going to go anywhere. I know there are some penny stocks that do go up and explode, and that's happened this year recently. There's been a lot of stocks that just blew, but they were more in the AI sector. So just keep that in mind. There was a new IPO, Chime, which is like SoFi, and there's been a lot of IPOs that skyrocketed, and Chime didn't really do that. So that's just don't go crazy because you see some IPO skyrocket, think that all IPOs are going to skyrocket. So be careful because you don't want to lose your money or get trapped. So be smart. I'm just sharing, of course, what I'm doing. I'm not a professional. If you're in the stock market, if you're trying to make some money short term, let me know down in the comments below. And if you are, what are your plays? Let me know what you think of my plays. If you like the video, don't forget to smash the like button. But let me go over Chime's IPO. So let's see. Let's see. The IPO. Chime. Here it is. So it went public yesterday around it, not right at 9. It wasn't right when the market opened. It was later in the afternoon, after 12, after lunchtime. Finally, it was available for everyone to buy it. And it opened at $43. It did go up. It went up to 44.94. That was its high. And then it dropped to 36.19. And it looks like it's at 37.11. Let's see, after hours. So the ticker symbol is CHYM. CHYM. It looks like it's at 37.23. Now, this one will be really risky, in my opinion. The stock's going to go down from where it's at. So right now, I don't think it's a buying opportunity. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Do you think Chime is going to go higher? I think SoFi is a better bet. And if SoFi is trading under 15, I don't see why Chime's at 37, in my opinion. So between the two, which one I would go after is SoFi. So that is actually a company that I bought, and I'm holding it long term. I believe the company is going to grow and continue to do well and continue to report good or earnings reports. So I'm gonna hold that one long term. I did buy that one. And so far I'm up on it. Yesterday was a good day on SoFi. It finally was up around $15 a share. I'm hoping that it will continue to go up. Let me see what it's at right now because I know it dropped from 15 after hours. Oh no, it closed under 15. So it closed at 14.90. Pre-market's 14.38. But I bought it around the 12 mark and I'm holding it long term. I think it's going to go higher. And of course, stocks don't just go up in a straight line. There's going to be little pullbacks, right? And good companies, when there's pullbacks, that's a good opportunity for you to buy in long or short, right? You always want to buy in when there's pullbacks and things like that. Never try to time the market when it's perfect, but when I see pullbacks, I have my positions in my long terms and I look for little short terms to buy into to sell and make some money. So I'm always looking for opportunity both ways, long and short. And I like sharing that with you. That's what the YouTube channel is about. It's about sharing what I'm doing in hopes that it helps you. I like to read your stories, what you're doing in the comments below, and hopefully we can all build some wealth. Hopefully you find the videos helpful. But yeah, SoFi, I do think is a good one. But I wanted to share the story about the news that broke out about the war. So definitely remember, get some gas. Let me know what you think of it. Hopefully we get some positive news today. Hopefully that dies down. And hopefully, no more negative news about that. But hopefully you enjoyed the channel. Let me know down in the comments below what you think is going on. Smash the like button. And also, if you can subscribe to the channel, I really would appreciate it. Hit the notification button. That way you're updated every time I upload a new video. See you on the next one.